Hello everyone, welcome back to our video class. We are looking at consumer arithmetic in this lesson, and we are talking about shopping for deals. We have two objectives. The first objective is to discuss what a best buy is, and the second is to solve simple problems involving deals and the best buys. So let's talk briefly about what a best buy situation is. A best buy situation is one where you, the consumer, are getting the best value for your money. Simply put. And there are some tips and tricks that we can use to ensure that we get the best buy and the best deal, the best value for our money. Here we have 5 of them. It's not an exhaustive list. So 1, you want to ask for a discount. This is very important. Many stores have a discount policy, but they will not give you a discount unless you ask for it. So remember to ask for a discount when you're shopping. Second one, you need to compare prices. You also need to compare brands. There are many brands that carry very similar products, but some brands are more prestigious than other brands. And because of that, you're going to be paying for that prestige. So it may be the very same product, very same ingredients, very same process, but because of the brands, you end up paying more for one than the other one. So you want to compare that when you're shopping to make sure that you get the best deal possible. You want to shop during sales. Merchants tend to drop their sales a little bit, tend to drop their profit margins a little bit during sales when they want to clear inventory. So it's a good time to shop to make sure that you get the best deals. And 4, buy when there's a high level of supply, knowing that supply affects prices. So when there is a high level of supply, the prices tend to be stable and low. When there is low supply, demand is high and prices tend to go up. Also, you need to read certified reviews before purchasing. That is, you want to make sure that other people who bought the thing that you bought are hoping to buy. You want to hear what they have to say about how they feel after buying it, how it performs, how it behaves. These are tips that will help you to get the best deal when you're shopping. And all of us, part of the essence of doing consumer arithmetic is to learn how to become responsible consumers. So we want to look at some past questions now and see which situation will result in the best deal. Here we have somebody traveling on vacation and comparing 2 travel options. They want to make sure that they get the best deal. So this travel club offers return airfare of $356. That means the fare to go and return, and hotel accommodation of $97 per night, which means day and night. All right, so we're going to look at the total cost of airfare and hotel accommodation for 3 nights using the rates as shown in this table. So it will be airfare, that's $356, plus 3 nights, so it's 97 times 3, and this gives us 356 plus 97 times 3 is 291. And when we add those two numbers, we get 647 US dollars. The second travel option is not in US dollars, it is in EC dollars. So this hotel is offering, this travel club is offering a holiday of same 3 nights, and the cost is $1,610 in EC. So here we have to divide. We have a rate here. Notice we have a conversion rate from US to EC. So if we want to convert this EC to US, we will have to go divide by $2.70. So let's do the second part. And we have 1,610 EC. We want to change it to US. So we need to divide by $2.70 because 1 US value is $2.70 EC. So when we do this division, we end up with $596.30. So this is also US dollars. So the third part of our question is asking us, state, giving a reason for your answer, which travel club, that is Petty's or Angie's, has the better offer. Now, there are some things that are not said in this question, and we can't concern ourselves with it. Whether we're dealing with the same hotel, which will offer the same things, So we don't know if we're dealing with apples and apples or apples and oranges. That's not said in the question. What we have in the question is just price. So we have to make our decision based on price. 3 days return airfare, or 3 nights return airfare, 3 nights return airfare. And the cost at Petty's Club is $647 US. The cost at Angie's Club is $596.30 US. So the better offer would be, of course, to go with Angie's Club, given that the cost is cheaper. So that's your reason, of course, right? You should write a sentence to make sure that you express a sentence or express your view in a sentence to make sure that the person marking your paper or the examiner knows that you are choosing this travel club because you're getting a cheaper price. All right, let's look at another one. Here we have a store that is promoting mobile phones on Plan A and Plan B. Hopefully it's the same phone. Again, you need to know if you're comparing apples and apples or apples and oranges. So here, Plan A. Okay, so it says a new mobile phone on the two plans. So yes, we are comparing the same phone. Very good. Deposit is $400. Monthly installment is $65. Number of months to repay, 12 months. And that is Plan A for the phone. Plan B, $600 deposit, monthly installment of $80, and number of months to repay, 6 months, and a 5% charge on the total. Notice it says tax on all payments. So this is a 5% charge on the total. So we are to determine which of the two plans, A or B, is the better deal and justify your answer, which means you need to show some actual calculation as to say which one is better. So let's work out the cost of Plan A. On the Plan A, it would be $400 deposit plus monthly installment of $65 times 12 months. And that gives us a total of $1,180. So this is Plan A. Now let's talk about Plan B. Under Plan B, we pay $600 down and $80 for 6 months. That gives us $1,080. However, there is a 5% charge on this. So let's apply that 5% charge. First, we need to work out the 5%. So 5 over 100 multiplied by $1,080. Doing a quick division here, we have $10.80 times 5, and that gives us $54. So the total cost on the Plan B is going to be $1,080 plus $54. And that gives us a total of $1,134. So there are two options. Under the first option, Plan A, you pay in total $1,180. Under Plan B, you pay $1,134. So which of the two plans, A or B, is the better deal? The better deal here would be the deal that allows you to pay less for the phone. And since $1,180 is more than $1,134, then Plan B is the better deal because obviously we pay less. And importantly, it's for the same phone. So let's look at our final question. Here we are buying peanut butter. So the diagram below, not drawn to scale, shows 2 jars of peanut butter of the same brand. Very important. And so peanut butter, 150 grams, peanut butter, 400 grams. The 150 gram costs $2.14. The larger one costs $6.50 for a 400 gram. So which of the jars shown above is the better buy? Show all your working to support your answer, which is another way of saying justify your answer. So here you are buying peanut butter, and the best way to compare value is to say how much am I getting per dollar spent. So let's write that. How much am I getting per dollar? So we're going to do a dollar comparison. So here we're going to take that 150 grams and divide it by $2.14. And when you divide that, you are going to be getting 70 grams, 70.1 grams per dollar. Let's do the same thing over here. Take our 400 grams and we're going to divide it by $6.50. And when we divide by $6.50, in this case, we get 61.5 grams per dollar. So when you buy the small one, let's call it the small one, the 150 gram, you are getting 70.1 grams per dollar. And when you buy the larger one, you are getting 61.5 grams per dollar. Now, the obvious thing here is that we want more peanut butter per dollar spent. So the better deal is buying the small one, since we're getting more for each dollar spent. You could notice that also if you multiply the $2.14 by 3, you get $6.42. $2.14 times 3, which would give you $6.42. 3 times 14 is 42. Yes. So, and that would give you 150 times 3, which would give you 450 grams. And 450 grams is more than this one. And still your $6.42 would be less than $6.50. So the idea here, to keep it very, very simple, is that you want to compare how much am I getting per dollar spent. And when you do that division, for the smaller peanut butter, you're getting 70.1 grams per dollar. And when you do the other one, you're getting 61.5. So the better deal in this case has to be buying the small one. Buy the 150 gram because you're getting more peanut butter per dollar. It gives more PB per dollar. And so this would be the better deal. As usual, you can find more practice material at csecmathtutor.com. Go to the past paper section, look at the practice papers. There are many, many practice papers in there that will give you more questions that you can use to develop your reasoning skills and help you to prepare for the exam that you're studying for. Please subscribe, share with somebody who is doing the exam, help them to learn as well, and continue to grow and develop as you prepare. Best wishes.